Hey there, welcome back guys. This video is special thanks to Poppy for sending us the magnetic mount for your Osmo Nano. Should attach to anything metal. So without any further ado, let's check this thing out. Again, this is for the Osmo Nano, for the better half that goes underneath. So you can just mount it where maybe your bicycle, maybe your car, maybe you're a TikToker and you see the street signs everywhere and you just want to mount it. Well, they've got you covered. Let's check this out for the Flymile Nano, and let's have a look inside, see what's in store for you. Nice packaging. We'll just add it to our collection back there. And oh, nice. Comes like this. Looks like they have a cover, which is great. You need that cover. And aside from the cover, there's a tether. Yep, really nice tether. You can clip it to something. If you're a fan of tethers, I have so many tethers that I am happy without one. Nice little cover. This we definitely need. So this is our Osmo Nano. It's been a while since we've taken it out or used it. The cycling season has begun. We do have some cycling products that we'll be reviewing soon, so look out for those videos. But as you can see, maybe we'll mount this to the bike and take it on an adventure. Look at that. It has a little 3M. Wow, that's pretty tight. So this is a magnet right there. You could use this one, but this is probably more stationary for a permanent area you want to keep it mounted on. And then here, we're gonna have to take this one apart. Doesn't look like it will fit inside with this case, so we'll just push this out. It's a little corroded, a little, not a lot. See, it's coming off from when we did our videos at the beach. So make sure when you do put it inside the case that you rinse it, including this one, because I'm pretty sure this can go into water too. But if you do bring it into water, this part is waterproof. This part is not waterproof, okay? And knowing that moving forward, when you do take it out of the salt water, rinse it, because as you can see, it's got some white stuff on it. But let's see if the cover fits on here. This is definitely a must. You need to protect your investment. It's nice that they threw that in though. So it looks like we press here, and then it opens, and then the record button goes right about here. Oh, nice. Wow. They really thought this through. It just slides right in. Let's see if it clicks. Nice. And let's see if we want to protect our investment and use it this way. So it can go that way, as you saw. And, oh, nice. Whoops. It can go this way. See? It's mounted. I just got to wait for, you need to hear that click. But it's not going to click if we have another protective case on, which is fine. This is an addition that we actually added. But you want it to click. If it doesn't click, it's not secure. Now it should click. Okay. And now, see? Voila. It clicked. So it's in there. Nice. Really nice. We have different mounting options. As you can see, there's an option for a shoe mount. You can, if you have an additional attachments like we have somewhere around here that you can add. And as you can see, this folds like this. So you can, mount it like that to your tripod thingy, which would be somewhere here. Let's see if we had our tripod accessory. See that? You would just need, to mount this properly. And then it looks like, you're like, wait, but that's no way to mount it. You're right, it's not. Looks like there are hinges here. And then this, pull it down. And now, oh, nice. You can do it like this, see, on your tripod. Of course, this would be stuck like that, right? See? But look at this. We can close this. We have a little mount here. You can screw it onto your tripod that way. But look, it's magnetic. We can do it this way, flat like that. Look at that. We'll try it on the car. And that is pretty much, and most likely you're not going to use this anyway, because if you're in the car, this could be in your car, and then this can be, mounted, not mounted, just stuck on there. Like, let's say this is a magnetic surface right here. See that? And you can just do like that. But let's take this outside and see how it really works. Come. You want to make sure that where you put it is metal and not the fiberglass part of the car, you'll know which part is the metal because it will stick magnetically, and it binds really well. It's, as you can see, it takes a little strength to pull it right off, but it's on there for sure. Definitely will go over the bumps and roads. Where are we gonna put it? After finally finding a nice spot to put it on the car, on the rear, which is metal, I finally jumped in. Was really nervous, I have to say. I wasn't sure if it was going to fall off while driving, but you know, the magnetic strip held really well, especially here on the railroad tracks, which is really bumpy. It stayed on, didn't move, didn't budge a bit, and I just drove further down to the next town. Worked out really well, and as you can see, I'm just going to have a peek over here, make sure it's still on. But what if you're a TikToker? Well, they've got you covered there. You ever walk into the subway or down the street and you see folks TikToking and someone holding the camera? Well, now you can all dance together. If you find a metal surface somewhere outside, they pretty much got you covered, and you can work out your funky dance moves. Kind of neat, huh? Gotta love it. I like this feature better. You can mount it this way, right? So it's like that. It'll stick. You just, you know, bring that in, take this cover off. But look, you can also, I like this one too. I mean, they're all great because you can stick it on any surface imaginable. And most of all, you don't have to worry about dropping it because it is really strong. I don't recommend dropping it, but they thought about that. They've got you covered. Anyway, that's pretty much it. Hope that this video helped you. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave them down below. Or ideas for other videos. Remember to like and subscribe. And we'll see you all next time.